In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn off the camera timer on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So you might be trying to take photos with your camera, and every time you press the shutter button, there's a timer before the photo is actually taken. So to turn that off, then all you have to do is go to the top and then tap on this little arrow, and then a menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. Scroll and find the timer icon, tap on it, and then select off. That's going to turn off the camera timer. Alternatively, if it was on like that, you can always come here to the top here. As soon as you tap on the timer, then you get the timer menu at the bottom, and then you can tap off, and that's going to turn off the camera timer. So from now on, as soon as you press the shutter button, the photo is taken. And that is basically how to turn that off. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and even subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.